Hello students, today we are going to study about Avogadro's number. Students, let me ask you one question first. What does a dozen mean? Dozen का मतलब क्या होता है? 12. If I ask you to bring 1 dozen of banana, then how many bananas will you bring? 12 units, right? 12 bananas. अगर एक सेंचुरी की बात की जाए, what does century mean? Century मतलब क्या होता है? 100 units of anything. It can be 100 years, it can be 100 runs, right? Here, what we see, dozen and century words has been used for 12 and 100. ये दो words जो हैं वो numbers को describe करते हैं. Dozen describes 12 and century describes 100. Similarly, what does Avogadro's number describe? Avogadro's number भी एक number को describe करता है, that is 6.022 times 10 raised to the power 23. And this is also written as NA, which is called Avogadro's number. Students, Avogadro's number is used particularly for very small particles like atoms and molecules. Students, let us study about mole concept. Mole concept पे आने से पहले I would like to tell you what is one mole. One mole का meaning क्या है? One mole describes an amount of substance which is equal to 6.022 times 10 raised to the power 23 particles, and these particles can be atoms or molecules. In simple words, one mole का meaning क्या होता है? One mole अमाउंट ऑफ सब्सटेंस है, उतना अमाउंट है एक सब्सटेंस का जिसमें इतने नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. अगर मैं कंपाउंड की बात करूं तो उसमें एवोगैड्रोस नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स प्रेजेंट होंगे. अगर मैं एलिमेंट की बात करूं, प्योर एलिमेंट की बात करूं, तो उसमें इतने ही नंबर ऑफ एटम्स प्रेजेंट होंगे. नाउ लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. देखो, if I say in this glass of water there is 1 mole of water, इसका क्या मतलब है? अगर 1 mole of water present है इस ग्लास में, it means there are 6.022 times 10 raised to the power 23 molecules of water are present in this glass of water. Similarly, if I talk about pure gold, ये गोल्ड बार है, मैं कहती हूं कि this gold bar has 1 mole. 1 mole का गोल्ड बार है ये, तो what will you say कि मैम इसमें 6.022 times 10 raised to the power 23 atoms present हैं. Students, as I already said कि 1 mole meaning Avogadro's number of particles, और वो particles कोई भी हो सकते हैं, molecules or atoms. Students, here we have a mathematical expression for calculating number of moles. Number of moles is equal to given mass divided by its molecular mass. Or in short, you can write it as N is equal to M divided by capital M, where N is number of moles, small m is given mass, and capital M is molecular mass. Students, let us understand this formula through few examples. First question is calculate the number of moles for 52 grams of helium. We have to calculate number of moles for 52 grams of helium, right? For number of moles, what is the formula? N is equal to M divided by capital M. What is N? Number of moles. What is M? That is mass given. What is capital M? That is molecular mass of helium. After substituting these values to the formula, what we will get? 52 divided by 4, which gives 13 as your answer. इसका मतलब क्या है? Number of moles 52 ग्राम हीलियम में जो present है number of moles, that is 13 moles. Now, the next question is how many molecules of water are there in 36 grams of water? See, molecules of water has been asked in 36 gram of water. स्टूडेंट्स, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स नहीं पूछा गया है, मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ वाटर पूछा गया है. डू वी नो relation between number of moles and number of molecules? Yes, 1 mole is equal to Avogadro's number of molecules, right? So for this question what we need to do, हमें सबसे पहले number of moles calculate करना है. Then using unitary method, 1 mole में अगर इतने number of molecules हैं तो 2 moles में कितने molecules होंगे? 2 multiplied by Avogadro number and so on. Let's start. N is not given. M is given mass, that is 36 gram. Okay. And M is molecular mass. For water, molecular mass is 18 grams. Now substituting these values into the formula, M divided by capital M, 36 divided by 18 is 2. Now 1 mole is given by Avogadro's number of molecules. ठीक है, तो 2 moles में कितने molecules होंगे? 2 multiplied by Avogadro's number of molecules. Therefore, how many molecules are there in 36 grams of water? 12.044 times 10 raised to the power 23 molecules of water are there in 36 gram of water. Hope you have understood this concept. Thank you.